Just a quick unboxing here of this Wazor blow dryer. This product I recently have purchased and wanted to do a quick review on it and give you guys my honest opinion. This blow dryer comes with quite a few attachments. It's packaged nicely. Just got it the other day from Amazon and had heard good things about it, so I wanted to try it for myself. As you can see, it comes with 3 different attachments. This is like a pick comb. Then you have an attachment that is a concentrated tool on the end, and then a diffuser for anybody who may have curly or wavy hair. The great thing about this blow dryer is these easily click on, and then you're easily also able to just pop them right off. This blow dryer has 2 speed settings and 3 heat settings. It also has a cool blast button feature as well. Overall, I'm very impressed with the quality, how quiet it is, and the ceramic technology. Definitely check this one out. I highly recommend it.